So, hey friends, I know we don't technically have school for another week, that we still have spring break coming up. But not to get all sappy, but I kind of miss seeing your silly faces every day. And it does get lonely being isolated. And I always thought I was an introverted person and that I liked my time to myself, but like I'm learning that, sometimes you want to just talk to people. So I thought that I would just do a quick check-in for you, let you know what's coming up and what the plan is as far as creative tech goes, and I don't know, learning in general. Does anybody really know what's going on? I mean, this is all new to us and it's definitely weird. So I'm at home. Mr. Leban, my husband, he's also a middle school teacher, and we have an 8-year-old son. So our version of working at home is definitely very chaotic, I guess. Because just when you think you're getting something done, you have random questions from an 8-year-old, and I want to play and I want to do this, and can you help me get this app and all that stuff. So yeah, so I get that in your house things are probably a little chaotic as well. Whether you're only child, whether you are, lots of brothers and sisters or pets or mom and dad, and who else is working from home, like I get it. So the way that class is going to look for me is I'll have, everybody will have like a daily check-in sheet, like a Google Doc, and you'll just write down for me what you worked on that day as far as like our bigger projects or our assignments. So some days it could be like, I got 5 minutes done. Other days it might be like, hey, I sat for an hour and I worked on my project, and that's fine. Whatever you get done is what you get done, and there's a space for you to like ask me questions and write that down. I'm always available via email. I won't be checking it 24 hours a day, but I'll read your requests and questions. The week of e-learning, I am planning on doing a open office hours, a Google Meet where you can come in and actually video chat with me live, not just watching a video, and ask me whatever questions you need. And it could be questions for this class. It could be just like tech questions in general. If you're trying to do something for another class and you're having issues, I'm more than happy to try to walk you through any kind of tech help stuff. Or you just wanted to talk to somebody and you needed to chat and you want to know what to read or what to watch on TV, and or what you've been doing. I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos. I've been teaching myself a lot of new drawing skills on my iPad, and I have an Apple Pencil and I use the Procreate app. So I've been learning all sorts of new stuff with that. So, I mean, like, take your time to learn something new that you've always wanted to do, because we got lots of time now, right? So yeah, I guess I missed you. I wanted to check in, see how everybody's doing, let you know what to expect. I'll have something posted each day for you. And basically just kind of take it easy on yourself. I don't know what your demand looks like for your other core classes. So because of that uncertainty, I don't want to like overload you with stuff for this class, but I still want you to be able to have the experience of this class and do things. So yeah. We'll check in again as the time gets closer, and we will we'll adjust as necessary too. So this is the plan now, but that can change. And as you've probably experienced, things change daily right now. So I'm here. I'm feeling good in the next week before we start e-learning. If you have questions or concerns or you're anxious about something, please feel free to reach out, send me an email, because I'll be here for spring break and we'll talk soon. Take care.